Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Wafi and today I am gonna show you guys how to make your own YouTube logo, and for that you need to type in your Play Store logo maker Zoto apps. That Zoto apps. You wanna click that, and then there will be so many apps coming. You have to click the third one, that is the Zoto apps one. There are many other logo makers, but you want to click this Zoto apps one. You have to install it. I'll leave a link in the description. And before I do anything, if you guys are new to my YouTube channel, please subscribe, hit the notification bell, and hit the like button. Okay, we open the app. Now it'll take some time to load. You have to tap create, then go to logos and shapes, then go to logos, then you can select whichever logo you want that represents you more. And my channel logo is from this, and whichever that makes you feel like you can take that. For example, I'm taking this, and if you guys want a text under your logo, add text. For example, wait a sec. Yes, for example, my YouTube channel, Mr. Wafi. Add. Then choose a color. I'll choose red for this case, and click a font, and I think I'll click this. Then the background, you can place any templates, or you can use a color background. I'm using white. And now go to logos and shapes, and nothing. And if you guys want anything other logos, you can do exactly the same. Then now what you want to do is, sorry, that was a misclick. One more time. Add Mr. Wafi, color red, and front this. Yeah, now you have to save this and this will say that the thing is successful. And that's it. And this is how you make a logo of your own. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.